Today, we are going to learn some fun actions together. We can jump, run, clap, dance, and so much more. Are you ready? Let's go! Sit! I sit on the chair. Sit! Stand! I stand up. Walk! I walk slowly. Clap! Clap your hands. Run! I run fast. Run! Wave! I wave hello. Dance! I dance to the music. Sing! I sing a song. Laugh! Ha ha ha! Cry! Eat! I eat an apple. Drink! I drink some milk. Sleep! I sleep in my bed. Wake up! I wake up in the morning. Read! I read a book. Write! I write with my pencil. Play! I play with my ball. Swim! I swim in the pool. Open! I open the door. Close! I close the window. Catch! I catch the ball. Kick! I kick the ball. Talk! I talk with my friend. Smile! Big smile! Draw! I draw a picture. Clean! I clean the room. Cook! I cook yummy food. Build! I build with blocks. Help! I help my friend. Climb! I climb the ladder. Wash! I wash my hands.